back to my channel. It's your girl Lakeisha. I am back with another video, and if you want to see how I achieve this beautiful look, then make sure you stay and watch the video. And while you at it, take 2 minutes, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and come back. Today's video, we will be using some products from Shein, also known as the SheGlam. I never knew that Shein makeup products were SheGlam. I just learned it when I went on the website about 2 weeks ago. So, and I didn't even learn that when I went there 2 weeks ago. I learned when I received my packages about a day or two ago, and I see that it has SheGlam, and I was like, oh, this is the viral SheGlam that everybody's using. Well, anyway, their products are worth the price. If you want something that's budget friendly and worth the money, then make sure you grab you some of these products because they are worth it. If you want to see exactly what I use, I'm going to drop that in the description bar. I hope I remember because I always forget. But this is the look, and I am so happy with it. Like, come on. Just I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. primer. And then my concealer. Just just set it because it's already started to dry. So I decided to get it all. Now let me see if I like this brush better than I like my next brush. Oh wow. This is my concealer brush, my old concealer brush. So let's try this brush. What y'all think? I don't know. I feel like this has more than. Oh, it looks the same. Might be. Might be the same. And I'm just gonna apply this to the back of my hand and warm it up. Just warm up a little. Just right. Now we're going to go in and we're just going to outline. I'm going to go in with a brightening concealer. I'm just going to allow it to sit right there for a few minutes, even though that's too much. While I'm doing that, I'm going to go in with my blush. And this is where we're going to add some of the liquid highlighter. We're just going to do a drop. I'm scared. That might be too much. That might be too much. I probably only needed one drop. Moment of truth, you all. Do you think I put too much? Okay, that's how I do. Now, let's spray again. We're gonna blend this out now. Make sure everything is blended out. Now I'm going in with my L'Oreal bronzer. This is the only bronzer I use. I'm just going to add a little powder right where I go. Now it's time to try the SheGlam's blush, and we're going to use this. Since I use the orangey elf blush, I think that's coral. Since I use the coral brush, we're going to go in with this kind of like coral shade. So we're going to go into this coral shade. And we're just going to lightly tap this on you. Like we always do, we're just going to fill in the scattered parts of our eyebrows. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and we're just gonna take our time and carve out the eyebrows. Some of the hairs, I always try to have like a clean eyebrow underneath, because sometimes when you draw, you could see the hairs, and I hate how that looks. So I'm just gonna go in and remove those hairs that needs to be removed. Okay, now that we already cleaned up what we wanted to clean up and what we needed to clean up, I'm just gonna go in and carve it out again. Perfect. The concealer laying on the hairs. I so don't like to see that. I'd rather a clean, smooth foundation to work from. And this brush, like, my other brush is so dense, like so hard. But I really feel that on this brush. Set everything on this one. Now I'm gonna go in with my powder and bring everything together. You could tell I'm a Maybelline girly because at this point, nothing's left. So we're just going in. Now we're gonna go in and add some color back to the blush. Let's try the SheGlam's, the fine stick. Let's see something. Y'all. Y'all, let me just blend it out with this brush. Y'all, you know what? Y'all, I really think we need to stop sleeping on sugar. Yeah. I also got this little mascara brush. You know, you comb up. You know what? Let's try it. it. Moment of truth, y'all. Let me see if this is worth my money. Y'all, yeah. Now I don't know if I could do this next eye, but let's try. Y'all. Shein is where it's at. Now for the final touches, I just want to touch up under my eyes some. I'm gonna go in with this wine color lip line from Kuro. Just outline my lip. Go in with our favorite lip gloss. I have to get another one because I love this so much.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood.